Hey guys, I'm back here for another Wheel It Start video, and today we got this Ford, I believe it's a 5000 tractor. Let me step around here and see. Yeah, Ford 5000 tractor. It's been sitting here for not a terribly long time. I think it's been sitting here about 2 years. It ain't been ran in a while, and the 3-point hitch is stuck in the up position, they said. So, but the starter looks newer, so that's a plus. But anyway, we're gonna try and get this old Sheen fired up and possibly inquire about buying it, because it is honestly in pretty good shape. I mean, the tires are excellent. The rear tires and the front tires on both sides have really good tread. In fact, that front tire looks almost brand new. Power steering leaks, as does every old Ford tractor. And it's got a couple dings, and it's nothing perfect, but it'd make a great hay tractor, which is what they used it for. But right here's the fenders, which rusted off, as do they all. If you don't really pay attention, they will rust off real quick, like so. That's why I ain't got but one fender on it. Anyway, let's see what we can do here. All right, first let's start off with the simple stuff. Checking fluids. Let's check the oil here. Oh yeah, she looks good. Full on oil. Check the fuel. This is my fuel checker, by the way. It doesn't look like it's got much, if any. There's a little bit on that, but yeah, it's definitely been sitting for a hot minute here. All right, let's walk around the other side. Check the coolant. Oh yeah, she's full. So all the fluids check out except for really the fuel. It honestly probably needs a little bit in it, but I got a little bit with me. All right, well, let's pop this petcock open and see if it's got any fuel in it, in the filter. I honestly almost bet it don't, because that looks like it's been leaking. Yeah, it don't look like it's got any fuel in it. So it looks like we're gonna have to pull the filter housing off real quick. Or not the filter housing, but the filter off, and pre-fill it, because I ain't gonna try to start this thing. There's absolutely no fuel in it. Because then you get a big old air bubble in the line, and it's more trouble than it's worth. Anyway, I'll come back to you when I get this filter pre-filled. All right, I have my wiring system set up. So I got my battery here, because there ain't no battery cables on the tractor itself. So I just ran power straight to the starter. This is my ignition. In other words, I will put power to the start spade on the starter with this wire, and hopefully she'll start. So I'm gonna set y'all up somewhere where y'all can see. I'm gonna get the starting fluid, because chances are I'll probably need it, and we'll see what happens. Well, first I might pump that primer real quick. All right, I'm gonna set y'all up now. All right, well, here goes nothing. it's a bad connection here, fellas. Try it again. Alright guys, I robbed these battery cables off of another tractor that's over here at this property just to get it started, but I still got my jumper wire, and we're gonna jump the starter. So here we go. Here we go. Ran for a second. Well, she runs, but I think she got air in the fuel, so we might can persuade it out of it. I believe it's out of fuel. Alright y'all, I added some fuel to the tank. So now let's see if we can get her to run. RPM gauge actually works. See if she'll move. I'll be damned. First time she's moved in a long time. Bad, really. That's that idle. Daggum brakes work like a charm. I mean, they work really good. I wish it had a foot throttle though. Make sure the PTO works. Looks like it's working. Yeah, it ain't working. Well, bad news is the PTO don't work. And like I've already mentioned, the 3-point is stuck up. So something funny's going on in the rear end here, but the 3-point does not work. Neither does the PTO, which is kind of a bummer. Oh well. Let's see how good she cranks back up. I just cut her off. Now let's see how good she cranks back. Yeah. That's freaking cherry. This is a nice tractor. That's pretty good. It's getting a little heat in it. Well, folks, it runs really good. Let's get some heat in it now. Let's check the blow by. That's awesome. That's very minimal blow by there. This thing, it's got some power. Look at this. I like it. Oh, except for the 3-point and the PTO don't work, which is kind of a big deal. Hydraulic pump might be out of it. So that's no bueno, but very well could be. Just sitting here running like a champ. Well, folks, I believe that's it for the Will It Start today, and catch y'all next time on the next one. This was a successful video for this old 5000. She cranked right up, no problems. I All but she ran out of fuel. But the daggum thing runs good. I mean, I think it's low on power steering fluid because it didn't want to steer that great. But all in all, I think that was a success, other than the 3-point and the PTO not working. But we already knew there was some fuckiness going on there. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, whatever you feel the need to do. If you like this video, if you like my 6.9 IDI, if you want more videos about it, and my other one, you can check them out, or tell me and I might make some more videos of this truck, because she's an old farm truck, as you can tell. This Bobcat I worked on a couple weeks ago and got it running. I had to do some wiring on it because it had all sort of wiring issues, but now it's back in operating condition, which I might show y'all that it cranks right up here in a second. It just needs fuel return line. So let's go grab the battery out of this tractor, stick it back in that Bobcat. We'll pull it back in here in the shed out of the weather. Okay, finally we got the battery put in the Bobcat. She fires right up. That's the starter, by the way. You can hear it lock back up. I don't know why it does that, but it does. Anyway, that's it for the Will It Start video today. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening. For 5,000 successful start, non-successful operational. Thank y'all for watching. Now for the finale of the video, we're gonna be cranking up this 6.9 IDI with a smokestack. There we go. Good old truck. 4-speed too. Please like, leave a comment. Thank you.